In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get House of Fraser promo code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna go to your web browser and search up House of Fraser promo code. And once that is done, you're gonna head over to this first website, Daily Mail. You're gonna click on it. So once you're on this website, you're gonna see many codes. And as you guys can see that these are for September 2023, so they're gonna work. The first one is enjoy 20% off selected gifts across a range of beauty and fashion. So you can click on that. So for this, you don't need a code because this is an ongoing offer in the store. So you can directly click go to the store, which is going to take you to their website, and there you can claim the offers. Well, let's go and try to see a code. So for example, this one, get 10% off your next order with this discount. So again, this is an ongoing offer, so you can directly go to the website and claim it. But I'm gonna head to some other website and show you a few more codes. So then you can head over to this website, wethrift.com, and once you're here, the first one is 20% off at checkout. I'm gonna reload. So 20% off at checkout, so you can click show code, and this is the code extra for a 20% off on this website. So you can go choose your products and use this code at checkout. Well, there's another one which gives you a 20% off, outlet 20. So same thing, copy the code and use it at checkout. But as you can see, the success rate is not that high, so it might or might not work for you depending on your luck. So there are many 20% off. You can go ahead and give each of them a try. So let's say this doesn't work, you can go ahead and try this one or these ones. So yeah, so alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.